Welcome back to Traveling Kangaroo, your go-to channel for expert travel tips that make every journey smooth and stress-free. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your very first trip, today's video is packed with must-have travel essentials that you absolutely cannot forget. Stick around because these tips will save you from last-minute panic and help you pack like a pro. Let's dive right in. First up, the absolute non-negotiables, your passport and ID. If you're traveling internationally, make sure your passport is valid not just for your trip, but ideally for several months beyond your return date. Many countries require this for entry. For domestic trips, don't leave home without your ID. Keep these important documents in a secure, easy-to-access place like a travel wallet or a specific pocket in your bag. Double-check before you head to the airport or train station. Trust me, you don't want to realize you forgot them at the last minute. Next, travel tickets and itinerary details are crucial. Whether you prefer paper copies or digital versions on your phone, have these ready and easy to find. Your itinerary should include flights, accommodation details, planned activities, and tours. Pro tip, always keep a backup copy, either printed or saved in email or cloud storage. This way, if you lose the originals or experience technical issues, you're still covered. Money management is another key area to prepare for. Carry a mix of cash and credit cards. Local currency is essential for small purchases or places that don't accept cards. Remember to notify your bank about your travel plans to avoid having your card flagged for suspicious activity. And here's a safety tip. Keep cash and cards in separate locations to minimize risks if something gets lost or stolen. Don't forget your medications. Pack enough for your entire trip, plus a little extra, all in their original packaging with visible prescription labels. Carry a note from your doctor explaining any specific health conditions or allergies. Having a copy of your medical records can also give you peace of mind, especially when traveling abroad. Now let's talk tech essentials. Chargers for your phone, tablet, and laptop are a must. Bring a portable power bank too. It can be a lifesaver during long travel days or when you're exploring without easy access to outlets. Make sure your power bank is fully charged before you leave, and that it complies with airline regulations. Travel-sized toiletries are another packing win. Toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, soap, all in convenient travel-sized containers that meet carry-on requirements. If you have sensitive skin or specific skincare needs, bring your preferred products to avoid any surprises with local alternatives. When it comes to clothing, pack smartly based on the climate and activities you have planned. Choose versatile pieces that can work in different situations, and don't forget comfortable, supportive shoes. You'll likely be doing a lot of walking, so good footwear is essential. Travel insurance. This one can't be stressed enough. It helps mitigate stress and financial burden in case of emergencies like medical issues, trip cancellations, or lost belongings. Keep your policy number and emergency contact information handy at all times. Speaking of emergency contacts, compile a list that includes family, friends, local emergency services, and if you're traveling internationally, the contact details of your country's embassy or consulate. Include the address and phone number of your accommodation too. It's an extra layer of security. Now let's move on to some clever extras that will enhance your travel experience. A travel pillow and an eye mask can make long flights or bus rides much more comfortable and help you get better rest, crucial when adjusting to new time zones. A portable travel lock is great for securing your luggage or valuables, especially if you're staying in shared accommodations. Eco-friendly reusable shopping bags are practical for groceries or souvenirs and won't take up much space in your luggage. Similarly, a foldable tote bag can come in handy for laundry or unexpected shopping trips. To keep all your travel details organized in one place, try using apps like TripIt. Simply forward your confirmation emails for flights, hotels, and car rentals to the app, and it creates a master itinerary accessible both online and offline. Managing finances abroad is easier too with international travel cards like Wise. These multi-currency cards let you hold and spend multiple currencies without conversion fees, perfect for avoiding high exchange rates and extra transaction costs. Lastly, don't forget to bring a journal or sketchbook. It's a wonderful way to capture your travel experiences. Jotting down thoughts, documenting adventures, or sketching landscapes you encounter helps preserve memories and reflect on your journey. So there you have it. the ultimate checklist of must-have travel essentials plus some clever extras that will make any adventure easier and more enjoyable. Remember, good preparation is the key to stress-free and memorable travel. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with fellow travelers. Don't forget to subscribe to Traveling Kangaroo for more expert travel advice, tricks, and destination guides. Follow us on social media for daily inspiration and updates, and be sure to visit our website at travelingkangaroo.com for even more resources to help plan your next trip. Thanks so much for watching. Safe travels and happy adventures from Traveling Kangaroo. We can't wait to see where your journey takes you next.